Open an image in Affinity Photo. Once it's opened, go to Layer and down to Duplicate. Now you've got two layers. With this layer selected, go to Filters, Colours and down to Procedural Texture. With that, you can go to the presets. And the presets, I'm just going to go with Checkered. But you could use any of the others to create different effects. You can modify the settings, but also what you can do is you can go here. So instead of red, green and blue open, so click and turn those all off. Go with A, just turn that on and then click apply. Now nothing seems to have changed, but you can see in the layer something has changed. What you can then do is go down the bottom here and click effects. So effects, click that. And I'm just going to go with bevel and emboss, but you could use any of the others as well, perfectly reasonable. And you can modify the radius, but there's pillow, emboss, just try them out. Create different designs. But pillow's perfectly reasonable. Also you can modify the profiles, colour dodge, etc. Click close. With the move tool selected, also go up here, make certain this is turned on, and you can see this little blue dot. Then press return. It's on the keyboard, just the return key, and now you will see move/duplicate. With 2.3, you've got scale now, so even more options. What you can do, go over here, rotation. You can just turn around and say 3. So it just rotates slightly, or 10. And you can see you can create some interesting designs simply just by changing the rotation value. Or maybe make it 0.1 so it's very subtle. But then what you can do, you can modify the scale. You can go, 70 instead. And you can see you can create some interesting designs that way. Or keep it 100 and maybe go horizontal. And just change that so you can see just shift it slightly, or vertical. But I'm going to go with 0. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to go for duplicate. So duplicate, turn that on, a number of copies, and you can increase that. So just make it 15, 20, 35. You can see you can create multiple copies. And as you do that, again, additional results. Well, you can go for 0.3. Now, if you put it too high, it just makes a real mess. However, what you can also do is this. Again, 99.5 or 6. And that will create a nice zooming effect. Maybe make it 99.1. Anything like 98, 97 really just rapidly goes in way too fast. But what you can also do is you've got this little blue dot and you can drag that so you can position it there. So instead the zoom will be going over that direction. Or maybe the zoom could be in this direction. Or over here. You might obviously want to keep it in the centre. Now you've got all these designs, what you can also do is go here. Make certain you don't select the bottom one. So select all the ones with the effects. Go up here. Now they're all selected. Now you don't have to select them all. Maybe you could select 10 or 15 of them and create different effects. But what you can now do is you can click effects again, and then you can modify the bevel and emboss live. And you can just change it, just change the radius. So as you do that, you will see you get different results. You can create some really weird and wonderful painted effects very quickly. Something like that. Or maybe add 3D into the mix. All kinds of effects. Of course, the more you add into it, probably the slower it'll be. But you can create some truly weird and wonderful designs. So I'm just going to go with a very basic change to radius. But also, I can change maybe the profile. You can see it's slightly slow. It's not instantaneous. So click there, maybe sit standard profile. Go for something like that. And then click close. Now, deselect everything so you can see it properly. And you can then see the end result. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Always great to hear from you. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Please subscribe to the channel, always adding new tutorials all the time. Bye.